The Liberty Cap cent of 1794 to 1796 is one of the early large cents minted by the United States. These coins are highly valued by collectors due to their historical significance and design. Below is an overview of its history and details. Historical context: the Liberty Cap cent was part of the first series of copper coins minted by the United States under the authority of the Coinage Act of 1792. Designed by Joseph Wright, this series began in 1793 with the flowing hair Liberty Cap design and continued with variations until 1796. These coins were minted at the Philadelphia Mint, the only U.S. mint in operation at the time. Design details: obverse, front, features Lady Liberty facing right, with flowing hair and a Liberty Cap on a pole over her shoulder. The Liberty Cap was a common symbol of freedom and liberty, inspired by classical antiquity and popularized during the American and French Revolutions. The inscription Liberty appears along the top edge, with the date below. Reverse, back, depicts a wreath encircling the words 1 cent, with United States of America around the edge. The denomination 1/100th is placed below the wreath to indicate the coin's value. Specifications: composition, 100% copper. Diameter, approximately 27-29 millimeters, varied slightly due to production methods. Weight, 13.48 grams, standard, though individual coins may vary slightly. Edge, plain. Varieties: the 1794-1796 Liberty Cap cents are notable for their die varieties, reflecting the manual engraving of dies and adjustments made during production. 1794. Numerous varieties exist, as the mint struggled with production quality and experimented with designs. Examples include the starred reverse, which features tiny stars around the reverse design. 1795. Marked by changes to the wreath design and slight refinements to Liberty's portrait. 1796. This year saw transitional designs, leading to the discontinuation of the Liberty Cap motif in favor of the draped bust cent. Mintage and rarity: 1794. Approximately 918,521 minted, with many die varieties making it a favorite for specialists. 1795. Roughly 501,500 minted, with surviving specimens being scarcer. 1796. A transitional year with far fewer examples minted, approximately 109,825, and high collector demand. Collectability condition significantly affects value. Many surviving coins are heavily worn, as they were widely circulated. Coins in higher grades, e.g., very fine or better, can command substantial premiums. Rare die varieties, such as the 1794 starred reverse, are among the most coveted. Historical significance: the Liberty Cap cent represents the ingenuity and challenges of early U.S. coinage. Its design was a departure from European influences and celebrated the ideals of liberty and self-governance. These coins were essential in establishing trust in the fledgling American monetary system. If you're interested in collecting or researching Liberty Cap cents, examining die varieties and historical contexts can provide a fascinating journey into early American numismatics. Like, subscribe, and tell a friend about oldpaperguy.com.